Welcome and thank you for joining me. In this video, Evgeny will show us how to clean the intake manifold pressure sensor on his 2015 Volvo XC70 D4, which is the 5-cylinder diesel engine. The sensor located under this cover, so first we need to remove it. Once you take the soundproofing cover off, the sensor is located in the intake manifold. It's an easy access to it, and it's located right here. Now, being a diesel engine which has a lot of soot, this sensor tends to get clogged with all that soot in the intake manifold, so it's a good idea to service it by taking it out and cleaning it on the bench. First, we need to disconnect the connector by pushing on the tab, which is right here. And then use Torx 30 to unscrew the screw. The sensor is held by a rubber washer, so just gently wiggle it upwards until it pulls out from the intake manifold, just like that. Now we can see the condition of the sensor. It's not bad at all, because it was cleaned before. And this is the example from d5t5.com. Thanks for providing the photo. It could be much worse, so make sure you check yours. Now the sensor can be cleaned using a brake cleaner, which is going to be safe for the sensor. Just make sure to hold it in the downwards position so the fluid will not penetrate inside the sensor, just like Evgeny shows us in the video. So the sensor is clean, now time to reinstall. Pretty simple, in reverse order. Let's thank Evgeny for doing this video for us. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, guys.